Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a update to the Firefox browser today. So the Firefox browser, which was moved to version 127 last week, is now updated to 127.0.1. If you go and look at the upper right corner hamburger menu, help and about the Firefox browser, you will see that it moved to 127.0.1. What is in here? No security updates. There's no problem with security. It's 4 bug fixes in reality that are in here. One of them has to do with cookies that are not properly removed, or when you actually enable certain tracking protection features. So there's that's being fixed. There's a Linux issue. There's a Windows install problem. Some people that wanted to install a fresh copy of Firefox 127 found themselves with an error message and it couldn't install. So this fixes the problem with 127.0.1. If you try to install the Firefox browser on Windows, it should work fine. So these are a few of the things that are fixed in the Firefox browser. Like I said, 4 fixes, no security, no nothing. And that will, of course, update itself on its own. If you have no issues, you don't have to look at it, but as you use Firefox, it will be updating itself anyways. So we're now at 127.0.1, and this is the latest version for the Firefox web browser. Unfortunately, nothing to do with any fixes for YouTube video playback, as it seems that it's a YouTube problem, not a Firefox issue. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.